back in JJNet. We're gonna make a video today and the morning and night. So it's the morning, I just waked up, I play Little Bro, and here's my kitten. Venom, you don't want to talk to the camera? What do you want to say? He's just running away. Bye. She's just running away. Bye, Venom. He doesn't want to talk, so he's literally just hiding away from everyone. Like, I'm not. He's just hiding away from everyone. I'm not doing this. Comment for how cute is Venom. Okay. We're gonna have breakfast, guys. Guys, so it's breakfast. Venom is a little roaming around the room. Mama!
What?
Where? Oh yeah. We're gonna wear gloves because Venom needs company, so I'm gonna bring him upstairs. Here's the gloves we're wearing. Because he haven't has his vaccine yet. एउटा ग्लोभ्स लगाएर पछिनुहोस् Those gloves are I'm gonna carry him with one hand, okay? So guys, I'm gonna carry him. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna open my glove. So, I don't know what is for breakfast. So let's see. We have tea and cookies, eggs, and because the apple day keeps the doctor away. So now it's again. I have a cough. And if you eat the apple skin, it'll give more. I just eat it. The barbecue slice of apple. Mommy, Charlie, bring your cookie there and show it to the camera. Okay, which cookie you like best? Comment. I just like this one. And this one. I don't eat that thing. It's just disgusting for me. Now, there's no milk, okay? It's tea. I'm eating bare hands. Are you talking about another product or video book? Huh?
What? Yes.
Guys, we're going down. So guys, we're going to RoboFlex again. And my RoboThink. So now we're gonna go outside. I think it's gonna rain soon. Subu, are you gonna build? Already mean बसेर हेर्छ बनाउने रोबोट or त्यही बसेर हेर्ने त्यही बसेर हेर्ने
तिमी अगाडि बस्नु हो
म त बनाउँछु
म अगाडि बस्छु ल
Okay. So guys, I'm not wearing anything. I'm just wearing Crocs. Wait, I forgot slippers. Guys, I'll see you some in like just 1 second for you guys. Now so I don't need to wear my socks. And we're gonna just do it. Okay, see you right at the car. Bye, boys. Oh, we're finally at the car place. It has been such a long time. What's happening? So, already, guys, wait. We need to have a talk. So, guys, we're gonna do the X-ray.
Where's mine? Okay, do it.
Subu, hold the camera. Thank you. So here's my hand. I got X-ray because my middle finger was hurting. And you can also see my little skin and bones. These are all my bones in the hand. And guys, now we're here at RoboThink. I don't know. Bro! We need to go bare feet from there. Hi. Good. Where is this? So we're here at.
Let's go.
We're here at RoboThink. So what is in store today? Tuesdays. I don't need to change my shoes. I'm wearing Crocs.
You need to wear this. You need to change your Crocs and then wear one of the shoes.
Bro, this is small for me.
Hi, Gigi. How are you?
Good. But so now we're gonna get the cover of the camera. So we're gonna. This one's tighter.
Yolandi. This is good.
Small.
Like you. Maybe this one? Hey, you will fit. तिमी त अस्ति भन्दा ठुलो होला ठिकै हो
Again tight.
त्यति ठिक हुन्छ कि टाइट छ हो त्यसो भए त्यो ठुलो होला ल यो ल ओके
Now. I'm gonna help her.
के अनुसार राख ल बाबुनानीहरु
I'm gonna help her.
तिम्रो सँगै बस्नु
I'm her brother.
ओके
So guys, we're doing, but I'm grade 2. She's grade 1.
How old are you?
And
How old are you?
7, but she's my sister.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
To help my sis. Up there, the scarf. Are we gonna race or are we gonna make cars to race?
Yes. Funny like that.
I'm gonna see you when I build. Bye.
My name is Aditya Sharma.
So guys, we're in the rubber band and if I just spin this one and down this one. And I don't know what is this called. I want to drift it. Nobody will catch me because I'm in the sword.
अब तानेर हाल ल
This is mine. This is mine.
ओके
First, let's keep this.
अब तिमीलाई यु क्यान मोडिफाई इट विदाउट किपिङ इट
First, get this one.
वाइन ल अब रबरलाई हाल अनि त्यसपछि अगाडि उता तल गरेर
Oh my
फोड्ने Alright, get set, go! Alright, wait, JJ को भरे न? His nickname is JJ. What is his real name? Alright, get set, go! ल अब हामी डिस्मेन्टल गर्ने हो
See you in the another if we finish.
I think it got exchanged.
के भयो?
Why is it not working?
It got stuck over there. हजुर.
Finish!
यो भत्ताहरु ल्याऊ
Finish! I am finally done!
30 seconds लाग्यो
So guys, I'm gonna reach my bottle. Is it already time to go?
यहाँ यसको खोइ त्यो डिसेम्बर त्यसलाई गरेर सबै राख्नु पर्यो
So guys, I'm gonna dismantle my place. Dismantle time. Guys, off it first. Guys, it's so hard to dismantle it. Yes. You say hello. No. Shy guys. So guys, we're gonna end it later after we do ice cream and I'm not eating pizza. So I'm Axel just dismantling it. Guys, now we need to get out. Like you getting out.
What?
How should I get this thing out?
Okay, I'll help you. First, wait, not that. First, you have to get this thing out. This, okay? And this thing out first. See? This also. Now you can get these things.
How about you just give it to me? We're all done. All dismantled. I am in bike.
Okay, I'll do it. गाडीमा गरौँ ल यतिकै यसको त्यति त्यो इन्गेजमेन्ट हुँदैन नि त उसकोमा यो डन ओके
Bye.